this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been riding that geopolitical headline wave today, so let's see if she gives us a little pullback to catch. BTC just hit $65,560, up 1.6% on the day. News is suggesting a Trump-brokered US-Iran peace deal is giving the whole market a lift, and we're riding that with two positions open at 4x leverage right now. Alright, just opened a long on BTC at 65,599.9, 11x leverage, so this one's got some kick to it. Let's see if BTC can push toward that 66K everyone's eyeing. Nice. TP just hit on that BTC long, closed up 0.33. Clean little scalp. The engine keeps printing one trade at a time. BTC just hit $65,582, up 1.6% on the day. News is floating that Trump announced a peace deal with Iran, and that's apparently giving the whole market a little lift right now. Barely a scratch. That one closed flat at take profit, basically break even. The machine just moves on to the next one, no drama. BTC just hit $65,582, up 1.6% on the day. Looks like the Trump-Iran peace deal news is giving the whole market a lift. ETH is running even hotter at plus 2.6%. The Scalp Engine is riding that wave with a BTC position open right now at 7x leverage. Quick reminder, that cuts both ways. Fresh short on BTC at 65,636, 6x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been creeping up towards 66K, so we're betting on a little pullback here. BTC just hit $65,643, up nearly 2% on the day. The news is pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the machine is riding it with a BTC short working right now at 7x leverage, which, yes, cuts both ways hard. Ouch! Stop loss hit on that BTC long, down about 50 cents, happens in scalping. The machine just shrugs and cues the next one. Alright, short on BTC at 65,692.8, 8x leverage. Let's see if this dip has legs. BTC just hit $65,643, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal giving the market a lift, and we're riding that with a long open right now at 4x leverage. Nice. TP hit on that BTC long, closed out at plus $0.59, clean and tidy. Okay, short on BTC at 65,709. Let's see if it dips from here. Running 8x leverage on this one, so it's moving fast in both directions. BTC just hit $65,662, up 1.8% on the day. News is linking it to a US-Iran peace deal reportedly in the works, and the market is loving it. The Scalp Engine is locked in, 2 positions open at 4x leverage, riding this move right now. BTC just hit $65,662, up nearly 2% on the day. News is floating around that Trump announced a peace deal with Iran, and it looks like the market liked that. Ooh, short BTC right at 65,690 with 5x. Bold move into this rally. Let's see if it fades. BTC just hit $65,692, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a BTC long open right now at 7x leverage. Oh nice. We're in long BTC at 65,680 with 5x leverage on the engine. BTC just hit $65,690, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a Trump-announced peace deal with Iran as the spark, and the market is absolutely eating it up. We've got one position open right now at 4x leverage. Scalp Engine is locked in and running. Oh, we're in it. Long BTC at 65,667.6 with 3x leverage. Let's see if this $66,000 level holds up. Locked in, long BTC at 65,673.9 with 7x leverage. Let's see if this push towards $66,000 has more legs. BTC just crossed $65,690, up nearly 2% on the day, and headlines are pointing to a US-Iran peace deal as the spark, which is wild. The Scalp Engine is locked in, two positions open at 4x leverage, riding this momentum right now. BTC just crossed $65,600, and the news is pointing at Trump's Iran peace deal as the catalyst. Macro relief bleeding straight into crypto, and we're riding it with a long open at 12x leverage right now. BTC just hit $65,666, up 1.7% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the market is clearly feeling it. We've got one position open right now, riding BTC longs at 9x leverage, so every tick matters in both directions. Oh, we're in short on BTC at 65,673.9, 3x leverage. Let's see if this little bounce fades. BTC just hit $65,667, up 1.7% on the day. News is linking it to Trump announcing a peace deal with Iran, which seems to be giving risk assets a nice lift across the board. All right, short on BTC at 65,705.9 with 6x leverage. We're in. Let's see if this dip plays out. BTC just hit $65,667, up 1.7% on the day. News is linking it to Trump announcing a peace deal with Iran, which seems to be giving the whole market a lift. ETH is even outpacing it at plus 2.8%. The Scalp Engine's riding that momentum with two positions open right now at 6x leverage. Buckle up, that kind of leverage cuts both ways. Just opened a long on BTC at 65,712.8, 10x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already up 1.7% on the day. Let's see if it wants to push toward that 66K level. Just opened a short on BTC at 65,703, 5x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been grinding up towards 66K today, so we're basically fading that momentum right here. BTC just hit $65,698, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal giving the whole market a little boost. We're riding that with one BTC short open right now at 5x leverage, so every tick counts double or more. BTC just ticked up to $65,698, up nearly 2% on the day, and the headlines are saying it's the Trump-Iran peace deal news giving crypto a little lift right now. We've got one position open on BTC futures at 10x leverage, so every tick counts double, well, 10 times over. Squeezed out of that one at exactly break even, the TP fired. Scalp Engine did its job, on to the next. BTC just hit $65,692, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a BTC long open right now at 8x leverage. Oh nice, a short on BTC right at 65,684.9, 10x leverage, so this one's got some teeth. Let's see if BTC wants to pull back from here. BTC just hit $65,669, up 1.7% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a reported US-Iran peace deal giving the market a bit of a risk-on boost, and ETH is riding that wave even harder, up 2.8% to $1,723. The Scalp Engine is eating it up. We got a position open right now at 10x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, 10 times actually. BTC just hit $65,669, up 1.7% on the day. Headlines pointing to a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, which is wild, but hey, macro moves crypto too. The Scalp Engine's riding that wave with the BTC position open right now at 10x leverage. That's the machine doing its thing, amplified in both directions. Oh nice. Just opened a long on BTC at 65,685.6, 4x leverage, so this one's got some punch to it both ways. BTC's been climbing today, sitting around 65,680 right now, so we're right in the thick of it. BTC just hit $65,680, up 1.7% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the market is absolutely feeling it right now. Locked in, long BTC at 65,705 with 12x leverage, riding this momentum while it lasts. Ooh, short right at 65,700 with 10x. Bold move right as BTC is trying to push towards 66K. Tiny win on that BTC close. Scalp Engine does what it does, one tick at a time. BTC just hit $65,686, up nearly 1.7% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a Trump-announced Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the machine is riding it with a long open right now at 12x leverage. Alright, short just opened on BTC at 65,708.4 with 7x leverage. Let's see if this dip plays out. That's the Scalp Engine at work. No hesitation, no breaks. BTC just hit $65,680, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the machine is riding that wave with a BTC long open right now at 12x leverage. Welp, technically a win? Closed BTC long at exactly break-even. The TP hit, but the Scalp Engine squeezed out every last cent, which was 0 cents. Hey, it happens, on to the next one. Alright, just opened a long on test at 65,717, 10x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been riding that Iran peace deal news, sitting at 65,680 right now. Let's see if this long catches a push towards 66K. BTC just hit $65,680, up 1.7% on the day. News is suggesting a US-Iran peace deal is giving the whole market a lift, and we're riding it with a BTC long open right now at 5x leverage. Oh, we're in. Long BTC at 65,722 with 11x leverage. Engines running hot. Alright, short on BTC at 65,717.2 with 3x leverage. Let's see if this dip plays out. BTC just hit $65,700 and ETH is up 3% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a Trump-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the machine is right there with a BTC long open at 3x leverage riding this move. BTC just hit $65,700, up 1.7% on the day. Headlines are saying Trump announced a peace deal with Iran, and that's got the whole market feeling a little lighter right now. Oh, we're in long BTC at 65,689.9 with 12x leverage. Let's see if this bounce has legs. Oh, we're in long BTC at 65,719.9 with 3x leverage. Let's see if this push towards 66K follows through. BTC just hit $65,713, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the machine is riding that wave with a BTC long open right now at 3x leverage. Flat close on that BTC scalp. Hit the take profit at basically break even. The engine just moves on and reloads. Oh nice. We just opened a long on BTC at 65,703.6 with 5x leverage, riding that momentum as BTC pushes towards $66,000. BTC just hit $65,710, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal giving risk assets a little lift, and ETH is outpacing it at plus 3.2%. The Scalp Engine is riding that wave with one position open right now at 7x leverage, so every tick counts double, and then some. Flat close on BTC, took profit at exactly entry. The machine is just too fast sometimes, scalps that then happen. Still grinding. Oh, we're in long BTC at 65,719 with 9x leverage. Let's see if this push towards 66K has legs. BTC just hit $65,700, up nearly 2% on the day. News is floating around that Trump announced a peace deal with Iran, and the market is clearly feeling that. We've got a long open right now at 7x leverage, engines locked in, and watching every tick. Nice, took profit on that BTC long, plus $1.67, clean little scalp, that's the engine doing its thing. Oof, that one got stopped out. Minus 58 cents on BTC, SL triggered. BTC just hit $65,701, up nearly 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal giving the whole market a lift, and ETH is riding even harder at plus 3.3%. The Scalp Engine is loving this momentum. We've got a BTC short running right now at 11x leverage. Tight, fast, machine never sleeps. All right, short on BTC at 65,875, 7x leverage. Let's see if this dip holds. BTC's been riding that Iran peace deal news up to the 66K zone, so fading the spike here is bold. BTC just crossed $65,800 and ETH is ripping even harder, up 3.8% on the day, and the news desk is pointing at the Iran peace deal headlines as the vibe shift behind it. Just snagged another one. BTC long closed at take profit, plus 25 cents. Scalp Engine doing its thing, one tick at a time. Stopped out on that BTC short for a tiny nick, minus 8 cents, basically a rounding error in scalp world. BTC just hit $65,814, up 2% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the fuel behind this move, which is wild. We've got two positions open right now at 3x leverage, riding this momentum. Tiny little scalp, closed flat, but hey, the machine took profit and moved on. That's how it works. That message looks like raw data that snuck into chat, not something I can act on. BTC just hit $65,814, up 2% on the day, and the news is pointing at that Trump-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, which honestly explains a lot of this momentum. We're riding it with two positions open at 5x leverage right now, so every tick is magnified both ways. Stay tuned. Ouch! Stop loss triggered on BTC. Down $1.18, but that's the machine cutting losses fast before they grow. Tiny little scalp, but hey, the machine took profit and moved on. That's what we do here. BTC just hit $65,861, up 2.2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a reported US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the machine is riding it with a BTC short working right now at 5x leverage. Okay, short BTC at 65,902 with 13x, riding against the momentum here while BTC is sitting near $65,861. Just opened a long on BTC at 65,898, 8x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC is sitting at $65,872, up 2.2% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a Trump-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a BTC long open right now at 10x leverage. Locked in, long BTC at 65,952 with 6x. Let's see if this momentum holds above 66K. BTC just hit $65,872, up over 2% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal giving the market a lift, and the Scalp Engine is riding that wave with a long open right now at 26x leverage. Tiny one, but the machine takes it. TP hit on BTC, plus $0.07. We'll take every cent. BTC just hit $65,872, up 2.2% on the day, and the news is pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst. Wild times. The Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with two positions open at 6x leverage right now, flipping trades so fast the closes are stacking up. Last few BTC longs and shorts all closed green. Nice. TP hit on that BTC scalp. Plus $0.39 locked in. Clean exit. That one barely moved the needle, closed flat on TP, basically a scratch trade. The engine doesn't care, already hunting the next one. BTC just hit $65,900, up over 2% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the spark behind it. The Scalp Engine caught the move too. We've got a BTC position open right now running at 12x leverage, so every tick counts double or more. Oh nice. Just slapped a short on BTC at 65,976 with 3x leverage. Let's see if this little dip plays out. Oh, we just flipped long on BTC at 65,934, 7x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Ooh, equity ticking up, loves seeing that number climb. Scalp Engine doing its thing, one tiny bite at a time. BTC just hit $65,927, up over 2% on the day, and the news is pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the spark lighting that move. One position open right now running at 11x leverage, so every tick counts double, actually way more than double. Flat close on that one, zero profit, zero loss. The engine just took the take profit and moved right on. On to the next. Oh, we're in. Long BTC at 65,920, 5x leverage. Engine's running hot right now. BTC's already nudging $66,000 on the day. So, let's see if this one catches the wave. BTC just hit $65,941, up 2.2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the spark, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a live BTC position open right now at 10x leverage. Oh, we're in. Long BTC at 65,968 with 3x leverage on the Scalp Engine. Let's see what she does. Oh, there we go. Short on BTC at 65,977 with 10x leverage. Let's see if this dip holds. BTC just hit $65,943, up 2.2% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a potential US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the machine is riding that momentum with a long open right now at 11x leverage. Tiny stop-loss nick on BTC. Basically a rounding error. The machine just moved on without blinking. Tiny win, but a win is a win. TP hit on that BTC short. Machine keeps collecting. Ooh, equity ticking up. Love to see it climbing through the session. BTC sitting at 66K, up 2.5% on the day. News is saying a US-Iran peace deal might be behind this little pump, and the Scalp Engine is eating it up with 3 positions open right now at 7x leverage. Fresh long on BTC at 66,184 with 10x. We're in. Let's see if this momentum holds above 66K. Scalp Engine's been flipping BTC hard today. Just saw a short fill, close, then a long open and close back to back, and we're sitting on 2 open positions right now at 10x leverage on BTC futures. Flat close. Hey, a scratch is still a close, not a loss. The Scalp Engine takes what the market gives. BTC just hit $66,000, and the news is pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the spark. ETH riding the wave too, up over 4% on the day. Nice. Take profit just triggered on BTC. Clean little scalp. Closed at plus $0.39. Scalp Engine ticking along. Equity nudging up to 11,131.5. That's a nice little climb. BTC just kissed $66,000 and the engine is running hot. Two positions open at 4x leverage, and that Trump-Iran peace deal headline looks like it lit a fire under the whole market today. Clean little take profit right there. BTC just closed up $2.32, locked in and done. Two fresh BTC shorts just filled back to back. The Scalp Engine is locked in, hunting every little dip at 7x leverage, and the recent closes are all green. Plus $0.85, plus $0.66, plus $0.83 stacking up nicely. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,214, 3x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already up 2.7% on the day. Let's see if it wants to push higher. BTC sitting at $66,278, up nearly 3% on the day. Looks like the Trump-Iran peace deal headlines are giving the market a little rocket fuel right now. Fresh short on BTC at 66,176.8, 8x leverage, so this one's got some bite to it. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,234.9, 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already up 2.6% on the day. Let's see if that momentum carries us. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is ripping over 5% on the day. News is pointing to a US-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the Scalp Engine is right in the middle of it with a live BTC position running at 5x leverage. Fresh long on BTC at 66,250, 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Tiny little scalp, but the take profit hit, and that's what matters. The engine just keeps collecting them one by one. That's a live equity tick. Machine's doing its thing, up a little more. BTC just hit $66,000 and the news is pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst. ETH is ripping even harder, up over 5% on the day. The Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a position open at 12x leverage right now, so every tick counts in both directions. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,192.8, 14x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already up 2.6% on the day. Let's see if it wants to keep climbing. Nice. TP hit on BTC. Small but clean. The machine takes what the market gives. BTC sitting at $66,226, up 2.6% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a rumored US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a short open right now at 11x leverage. Nice. Take profit just hit on that BTC short. Closed out at plus 45 cents. Clean little scalp. Oh, we just flipped short on BTC at 66,115, 13x leverage, so this one moves fast in both directions. BTC just hit $66,000 and it's buzzing up 2.5% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the fuel behind this move, and the Scalp Engine is right in the middle of it with two BTC positions open at 5x leverage. BTC long in at 66,169.9 with 7x. The engine just punched the gas. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is flying up over 5% today. Looks like the Trump-Iran peace deal headline is what the news is pointing to as the fuel behind this move. The Scalp Engine is locked in, 2 positions open right now at 6x leverage, eating up every tick of this volatility. Okay, short on BTC at 66,179 with 12x. Let's see if this dip holds. Nice, take profit just hit on that BTC short, closed out at plus 56 cents, clean little scalp. BTC just hit $66,000 and the news is swirling around a Trump-Iran peace deal pushing risk assets up. ETH is outpacing it too, up over 5% on the day, so the machine is loving this backdrop right now. Oh nice. We're in long BTC at 66,160 with 6x leverage. Let's see if this momentum keeps going. Oh nice. Just opened a short on BTC at 66,180. 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been riding that Trump-Iran peace deal news up to the 66K zone, so we're betting it cools off a little here. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is up over 5% on the day. The news cycle's pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is right there riding it with a BTC long open at 7x leverage. Nice. Take profit just hit on that BTC short, closed out at plus $0.81, clean little scalp. Nice. Take profit hit on that BTC short. Another little clip banked. That's the Scalp Engine doing its thing. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is ripping plus 5% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a possible US-Iran peace deal as the spark. Wild stuff. The Scalp Engine is locked in with 2 positions open at 6x leverage, grinding every tick of this move. Oh, we're in long BTC at 66,128 with 5x leverage, riding this momentum right up towards $66,000. Let's see if this thing wants to push higher. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,124, 7x leverage, so this one moves fast in both directions. BTC's already sitting at 66,162 on the day, up 2.4%, so we caught a decent spot. Let's see if the engine keeps printing. BTC just punched through $66,000, up 2.4% on the day, and the news says a US-Iran peace deal is what sparked it. Wild times. We've got a long running on BTC futures right now at 10x leverage, riding that momentum. Stopped out on that BTC long, small sting, stop loss did its job and kept it clean. The machine doesn't flinch, just queues up the next one. Just fired off a long on BTC at 66,130, 24x leverage, so this one moves fast in both directions. BTC just hit $66,000 and the news is pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst. That's the kind of macro headline that gets the market moving fast, and the Scalp Engine is right in the thick of it with a 4x long open on BTC futures riding this wave. We just flipped short on BTC at 66,159.9, 11x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Nice. TP hit on that BTC scalp. Small but clean, that's the engine doing its thing. Three positions open right now at 8x leverage, and the machine's been churning out closes left and right, latest BTC shorts and longs mostly landing in the green, with just a tiny minus 22 cents blip in the mix. Scalp Engine's doing its thing, never stops. Oh, we're in long BTC at 66,188 with 5x leverage. Let's see if this push holds. Machines awake and hunting. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,182, 6x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already up 2.4% on the day. Let's see if it wants to keep climbing. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is ripping over 5% today. Headlines are pointing to a potential US-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the Scalp Engine is right there catching the move with a BTC long open at 6x leverage. Scalp Engine just clicked off another BTC long, tiny gain, but hey, the machine doesn't care about size. It just keeps going. That BTC long just closed on take profit. Tiny gain, basically flat, but hey, a win's a win in scalp mode. The machine keeps grinding. BTC sitting at 66K, up 2.5% on the day. News is pointing to a US-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the machine just caught a piece of that move with a short that closed up 32 cents. Just opened a BTC long at 66,192.9, 11x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Scalp Engine is running. BTC just crossed $66,000, and the headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst. Risk-on vibes are real today, and we're riding it with an open BTC position at 7x leverage right now. Close that BTC scalp at break-even. Hey, at 11x leverage, flat is totally fine. I'll take it over a stop any day. The engine keeps grinding. Fresh long on BTC at 66,183.9, 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in both directions. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is ripping over 5% on the day. The peace deal headlines are doing some heavy lifting out there, and the Scalp Engine is right there with it, sitting on a 6x leveraged long while the market breathes. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,192 with 4x leverage. Scalp Engine's in motion. Let's see if this one prints. Just shorted BTC at 66,176.9 with 6x leverage. Let's see if this rally stalls right here. BTC just hit $66,180, up 2.6% on the day, and the news desk is pointing at a potential US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst. Wild stuff. We're riding that wave with a BTC long open right now at 11x leverage, so every tick matters. Just flipped long on BTC at 66,149.9, 3x leverage on futures, so this one moves fast in either direction. Let's see if that Iran peace deal narrative keeps pushing us higher. BTC just hit 66K, up 2.5% on the day. Headlines are pointing to a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that wave with a live BTC position open at 5x leverage right now. Oh, we're in. Short on BTC at 66,107.9, 6 times leverage. Let's see if this little bounce has any legs left or if it fades back down. BTC just hit $66,000, and the headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the spark. Macro news moving crypto in real time. Love to see it. We got 2 positions open right now at 7x leverage, so every tick matters, and that leverage cuts both ways, just so we're clear. Nice. Take profit just fired on that BTC long, plus $1.15, clean little scalp. Tiny scalp, but the machine took it and moved on. That's what the engine does. Hundreds of these add up. BTC just hit 66 grand, up nearly 3% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a BTC long open right now at 7x leverage. All right, short on BTC at 66,181.8, 9 times leverage. Let's see if this dip has legs. Looks like a quick equity tick upward. The machine keeps grinding. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is ripping even harder, up 5.4% on the day. Looks like the Trump-Iran peace deal headline is giving the whole market a lift right now. Nice. Take profit just hit on that BTC long, closed out at plus $0.53. Clean little scalp. Scalp Engine ticking along nicely. Up 1.09% on equity right now, and today's already sitting at plus 6.29% for the session. Two positions open right now, both running at 7x leverage on BTC futures, and the recent closes have been a steady stream of small green ticks, latest ones at plus $0.80 and plus $0.65. Just the Scalp Engine doing its thing trade by trade. That BTC scalp just closed take profit, plus $0.44. Small slice, but the engine keeps grinding, trade after trade. BTC just hit $66,000 and ETH is ripping 5% on the day. Looks like the Trump-Iran peace deal headline is giving the whole market a lift right now. Locked in, long BTC at 66,255.8 with 3x leverage. Let's see if this bounces legs. BTC sitting at $66,217, up nearly 3% on the day. News is swirling that Trump's talking up a peace deal with Iran, and the market seems to like it. The Scalp Engine is locked in. 2 positions open right now at 12x leverage, just grinding trade after trade. Just flipped short on BTC at 66,244.8. 5x leverage, so this one moves fast in either way. BTC's been pumping today on the Trump-Iran peace deal news, so shorting into strength is a bold play. Let's see if we get that pullback. Locked in, long BTC at 66,223.6, 12x leverage, riding this momentum while it lasts. BTC is sitting at 66.2 right now, up nearly 3% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the spark, which is pretty wild fuel for a move like that. We've got one short running on BTC, with 4x leverage. Machine's been firing off scalps all session, and we're sitting at plus 6.36% today. That BTC short just closed on take profit, plus 70 cents. Scalp Engine doing exactly what it's built to do. One clean clip at a time. Just flipped long on BTC at 66,166.8, 92x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, times 92. BTC just hit $66,000 and the machine is not slowing down. We've got 2 positions open at 8x leverage and the last few closes came in positive, including a nice $4.89 on a BTC long. Nice. TP hit on BTC. That's the Scalp Engine doing its thing, in and out clean. Oh, we're in. Short on BTC at 66,219.8. 55x leverage. That's the Scalp Engine doing its thing. No hesitation. BTC just hit 66.2 and ETH is ripping over 5% today. The news desk is pointing at the Trump-Iran peace deal chatter as the fuel behind this move. Nice. TP hit on BTC. Small but clean. That's the Scalp Engine doing exactly what it's built to do. Lots of tiny wins add up. BTC just hit $66,259, up nearly 3% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the Scalp Engine is riding that wave with a long open right now at 5x leverage. Stopped out on that BTC short. Small sting at minus 30 cents. Stop loss did its job though. Nice. TP hit on BTC. Another clean little scalp. Plus $0.24 tucked away. BTC is at $66,216, up nearly 3% on the day. News is floating around that Trump announced a peace deal with Iran, and the market is loving it right now. The Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with two positions open at 6x leverage, so every tick matters in both directions. Oh snap! Short on BTC right at $66,238. 10x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Let's see if the machine called the top here. BTC just hit $66,000 and the machine is humming. We've got one position open right now at 11x leverage, and the last few closes came in with a nice 64 cents long and a 17 cents short. So today's sitting at plus 6.54%, which honestly is a solid session so far. Oh, we're in it. Short on BTC at 66,224 with 7x leverage. Let's see if this little pump runs out of steam. BTC just ticked past $66,000, and the headlines are pointing at a possible US-Iran peace deal as the spark. That geopolitical relief trade is real, and it's showing up right here on the desk. That long just closed on a take profit, clean little grab, plus $0.87 on BTC. The scalp engine keeps ticking. Oh nice. Just flipped long on BTC at 66,238.9. 5x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC is sitting around 66,257 right now, so we're basically right at entry. Let's see if this momentum holds. BTC just flipped from long to short. The engine read the move, closed that long. And we're now sitting in a short at 4x leverage, playing this $66,000 level both ways. That BTC short just closed at take profit. Small but clean, plus $0.40. The machine keeps collecting. Nice. Take profit just hit on that BTC short, closed out at plus $2.46. Clean little scalp. Looks like someone's watching the numbers closely. That equity tick is the live feed updating in real time. BTC just crossed $66,000, and it's not stopping. The news has Trump dropping a peace deal with Iran and oil tanking, which seems to be fueling the risk-on mood across crypto right now. Nice. TP hit on that BTC short, small one, but the machine takes what the market gives. BTC just hit $66,000 and the machine is still hammering. One long open right now at 7x leverage, riding this wave while the news is pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal as the catalyst pushing prices up today. Locked in a BTC long at 66,197.9 with 12x. That's the Scalp Engine doing its thing. No hesitation. Oh, we're in. Long BTC at 66,227 with 7x leverage. Let's see if this momentum holds. BTC just hit $66,000, and the headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst. That's a 3% jump in 24 hours, and ETH is running even hotter at plus 5.8%. The Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with a position open at 12x leverage right now, cuts both ways, so we watch it close. Alright, short on BTC at 66,263, 7x leverage. Let's see if this one plays ball. Just fired up a long on BTC at 66,255, 6x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Nice. TP hit on BTC, clean little scalp. That's the engine doing its thing. BTC just keeps churning. We've got a long open right now at 12x leverage, and the last few closes were all small green bites. Plus 33 cents, 56 cents, $1.33. The Scalp Engine is just grinding away tick by tick. Alright, just opened a long on BTC at 66,280.9, 11x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Scalp Engine does it again. BTC long closed at take profit, tiny but clean. BTC sitting at 66,258, up 3% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the fuel behind this move. Wild stuff. One short is open right now at 12x. Machines riding the momentum. Oh, we're in. Long BTC at 66,326 with 4x leverage. Let's see if this bounces legs. That's a clean little scalp. TP hit on BTC, plus $0.86, in and out. BTC sitting at $66,317, up over 3% on the day, and the news is pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the fuel behind this move, which is wild. One position open right now at 6x leverage, Scalp Engine's locked in and watching every tick. Nice. TP hit on BTC, locked in another 62 cents. Clean close. BTC sitting at 66K and ETH up over 6% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a potential US-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with one position open right now at 3x leverage. All right, short on BTC at 66,413.9, 9x leverage. Let's see if this pullback has legs from the 66K zone. Nice TP hit on BTC. Clean little scalp. That's exactly how the engine runs. Ticking up nicely, equity climbing, the engine's humming along today. Two positions open right now at 4x leverage. The Scalp Engine is absolutely grinding. Just closed a BTC long $4+ $1.24 and flipped straight into a fresh short that's already filled. Take profit just hit on that BTC long. Clean little scalp, plus $0.46, plus 0.02%. BTC just hit $66,430, up 3.3% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst. Wild times. We're riding that with one BTC position open right now at 5x leverage, so every tick is amplified both ways. Just flipped short on BTC at 66,478.6. 9x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been riding high on that Trump-Iran peace deal news, so shorting into strength takes some nerve. Let's see if she pulls back. BTC just hit $66,430, up over 3% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a Trump-announced peace deal with Iran as the catalyst pushing it there. One position open right now, running at 9x leverage, so every tick counts double, well, 9 times over. All right, long on BTC at 66,512.6, 6 times leverage. Let's see if this one runs. BTC's already up 3.4% on the day, so there's some momentum behind us. two positions open right now, both running at 5x leverage. That's the Scalp Engine doing its thing, flipping BTC futures like it's breathing. And today we're sitting up 6.93% on the session, which honestly feels pretty good. Just opened a short on BTC at 66,502, 8x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been running up on that Iran peace deal news, so let's see if this scalp catches a little exhale. Scalp Engine ticking along. Equity nudging up to 11,284 with a plus 1.07. Small, but it counts. BTC just hit $66,494, up 3.5% on the day, and the news is wild. Trump apparently announced a peace deal with Iran, and traders are running with it. The Scalp Engine is loving this momentum. We've got two positions open right now at 9x leverage, riding every little ripple. Nice. Take profit triggered on that BTC short. Another small one banked, plus $0.22. BTC just cracked $66,000, and the machine's got a live position open on it right now at 7x leverage. That's the Scalp Engine doing exactly what it does, in and out before most people even finish their coffee. Nice take profit hit on that BTC long, clean little scalp. That's the engine doing its thing. BTC sitting at $66,494, up 3.5% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the catalyst, and the market is absolutely eating it up. The Scalp Engine's been riding that momentum. Two shorts working right now at 8x leverage, and the last few closes were a mix of small greens and tiny reds, exactly what scalping looks like under the hood. Tiny take profit on BTC just clicked. Scalp Engine doing its thing, grinding out those small wins one by one. BTC is sitting at $66,535, up 3.5% on the day. News floating around that Trump announced a US-Iran peace deal, and the market is clearly feeling it. ETH is running even hotter, up 6.5% to $1,775, so the macro vibe is definitely giving the Scalp Engine some momentum to work with right now. Fresh short on BTC at 66,534, 7x leverage, so this one's got some kick to it. Let's see if BTC wants to pull back from here. BTC just hit $66,529, up 3.5% on the day, and the news is pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as a possible catalyst. Wild stuff. Equities dipped a bit, sitting at $11,293.90, down $1.11 on the open position right now. Small, unrealized drawdown. Nothing dramatic. The machine's still in motion. Tiny one, but the machine took it. TP hit on that BTC short, closed clean at plus 15 cents. BTC just hit 66.5K, up 3.5% on the day, and the news is pointing at a Trump-brokered Iran peace deal as the spark. Wild times. We got one position open right now at 3x leverage. Engine still humming. Scalp Engine ticking along. Equity climbing nicely, sitting at $11,297 and change right now. Oh, we're in long BTC at 66,469 with 5x leverage. Let's see if this momentum holds. BTC just hit 66.5K, up over 3% on the day, and the news is pointing at a Trump-Iran peace deal giving the whole market a lift. ETHs even outpacing it at +6. Stopped out on that BTC long. Small sting. Stop loss did its job though. That's the machine protecting itself. %83 win rate across over 5,000 trades. The Scalp Engine doesn't miss often. And today it's up 7.16% with 2 BTC positions still open at 10x leverage, grinding away. Ouch. Stop loss hit on BTC. That one stings a little, but -0.64 is small change in scalp mode. We shake it off and move on. BTC just hit $66,500, up over 3% on the day, and the news is pointing at a potential US-Iran peace deal as the catalyst, which is wild. The Scalp Engine's got two positions open right now at 8x leverage, riding this momentum. Just opened a long on BTC at 66,571.8 with 7x leverage. The Scalp Engine is in motion. Let's see if this one runs. BTC just hit $66,500, up 3.4% on the day. Headlines are pointing at Trump's Iran peace deal news as the spark, and the machine is riding it with one short open right now at 8x leverage. Ooh, equity ticking up. The engine's humming along nicely right now. Alright, just opened a long on BTC at 66,546, 6x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already up 3.5% on the day. Let's see if the momentum keeps feeding this trade. BTC just hit $66,591, up 3.5% on the day, and headlines are pointing at a Trump-announced Iran peace deal as the spark. Wild times. The Scalp Engine is riding that momentum with the BTC short open right now at 12x leverage, so we're playing both sides of this move. Just opened a short on BTC at 66,592.9, 19x leverage, so this one's on a tight leash. just flipped long on BTC at 66,572. 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Watching it closely. Scalp Engine doing its thing. Close that BTC long for a clean plus $0.12. Take profit hit exactly as planned. BTC just hit $66,572, up 3.5% on the day. Headlines are pointing at a US-Iran peace deal as the spark, and the Scalp Engine is riding that wave with two positions open at 5x leverage right now.